Hello my dear friends, welcome back to my channel Sapna Raghuvanshi, and tell me guys, how are you and how is your English speaking journey going on and how is weather at your place today? I hope guys that you all are very fit and fine and your English speaking journey is also going on smoothly, and of course I hope that weather is also good at your place. But yes guys, if I say about myself, so I'm also good. My English speaking journey is also going on smoothly as always. But yes guys, if I say about weather is not good at all at my place. It's completely hot, it's completely like sweltering type weather, scorching type weather at my place. So come on guys, now let's start our video. As you know guys, that I always used to say that I'm here to motivate you to speak English, and I'm always here to help you to speak English confidently and effortlessly. So guys, I hope that you must be thinking that why I'm saying all these things. I used to say all these things just because I really want to motivate you that yes, if I can speak English, if I can start my journey in this way, so why can't you, my dear friend? Because I also know very well that there are lots of people in the world like this, who are having lots of English knowledge, lots of grammar knowledge, but still they are not able to speak English. Why? Just because lack of confidence. And yes guys, still I'm feeling myself underconfident sometime, because yes, I'm very comfortable to tell story, this motivational story before you, but when it comes to speak with any random people on any random topic, so that time I still am stucking somewhere. So this is my main target, to overcome this problem, and that's why I'm here on this platform. And to be very honest guys, there's only one purpose of mine on coming on this platform, and that is to sound confident, to enhance my speaking skill in this way. And also I'm observing, I'm feeling myself that yes, I'm improving, and little by little, but yes guys, I'm improving. I can see improvement in myself, because earlier I was not able to speak for a while, but now at least I'm able to speak English for a few minutes and effortlessly and confidently with the help of my motivational story. And also I love all my motivational story, because this is my all story, just like my real friends, which is always helping me in my English speaking journey. So guys, please, now I'm thinking that getting you bored, but yes guys, please don't try to get yourself bored by my speaking and by my lecture, because I'm always here to motivate you to speak English. And I was telling all these things to let you know that if I can start, so why can't you, my dear friend? So let's start today's motivational story. And of course guys, you always know that I'm here only with motivational English story to speak English, because I'm also learning this language. I'm not fluent and I'm not a good speaker, but yes, I'm trying my level best to be fluent in English and to be a good English speaker. That's why I'm here, my dear friends. So please try to support me in my journey. Today it's my humble request to you to support me in my English speaking journey. And yes guys, now let's start our story. Actually guys, once upon a time there lived a king in a kingdom, and one day he called upon all his wise ministers and told that I want to say something, and means I want to ask all of you to give me any mantra which can help me in all situation. Means the king said that if is there any mantra which can help me, which can work in sorrow, in happiness, in joy, in victory, in defeat, in when I means in alone, in crowd, means in all circumstances, is there any mantra which work in every situation of life? And I want this because in the case if you all are not available, so I can give myself means help with this mantra. So can you provide me this type of mantra? Is there any type of mantra you are having? So that time all the minister got puzzled, like what is king asking for, and what to provide to king as a special mantra, like which can help, which can work in all situations. So that time all the minister started discussing something very serious, and that time they all means after lots of discussion, finally they got a very useful solution, and finally they provided the king a paper, and on this paper something is written, and they hand over this paper to king and said, dear your majesty, actually this is the mantra that can work in, it can work in all situation, and also it give you help and support in all situation when you feel yourself alone in life, when you feel very sad and disappointed, and when you feel that we all are not means with you to help you, to support you, to give you any advice. So that time this mantra can help you. So the but they put a condition, like they said to the king, but please don't try to just give it, take it and keep it safe with you, but don't try to open it in curiosity, and you can open it only when you feel very disappointed, and just feel yourself completely defeated in your life, and you feel yourself just all alone in your life. So only that time open this mantra. So king agreed, and took this paper, and just folded paper, and he fixed it in his diamond ring. Means he fixed this paper, set it in his diamond ring, and after some time the neighboring country attacked the king's country, and that time the king got himself completely defeated that time, because all his army were killed by the opposite army, and that time the king had to flee the battlefield, and he just tried to rain out from the battlefield with his horse, and when he started running, so the opposite army also started following, pursuing the king with their horses and with their army, and the sound of the horses and the galloping horses and the armies means it was bothering king a lot. It was disturbing to king's mindset, and king started to just save his life anyhow, and he started running, means he was running very fast with his horse, and finally he got himself completely stuck at a place, because yes guys, now king found himself at the end of a road, and from there's a very deep ditch, and now king couldn't run anywhere from there. That moment king found himself completely defeated and disappointed and all alone, because this time king was thinking that now I can't save my life, because the opposite armies and they all were pursuing me with their horses, and soon they would approach me, and of course they will catch me, kill me, and if I that time if I try to save my life by means jumping in the ditch, so of course if I jump in the deep, so I would destroy my life, because there are no chance of save my life. So that time the king got himself completely defeated, and that time he stopped, and he started realizing, like now means he started realizing, feeling himself all alone in the world, means it feel like that there is no one in the world with me. So that time suddenly his diamond rings reflect in the sun and in the sunlight, and the king thought about the means mantra, special mantra that his ministers were provided him. So that time the king opened his ring, means opened his ring and take out this special mantra, and that time he thought that yes, now it's time to read this, it's time to see this, because that time he was feeling that look, means few moment ago I had everything, means I was a famous king, I was a well reputed king of this area, and I had lots of army, means powerful army and lots of wise minister, but now I have lost all these things, and now I'm just standing here, means all alone in this world. So that time he realized that this time this is the right situation to see it and to read it, because now I'm all alone, and of course he was feeling that time disappointed and defeated himself, and this is the condition, that in this condition only he can read this. So he remembered this and started opening it, and when he opened, he read it. It is written on this paper like this too shall pass. So the king read this word, means this too shall pass. So the king repeat again and again, means this too shall pass, this too shall pass. So that time he realized that yes, this too shall pass. So now the king started thinking like yes, it is reality, because I didn't ever think that I will lose all my army and all my minister and kingdom, but yes, these all shall pass. So if all these things had passed, so definitely this bad time, this too shall pass, this too shall pass. So the king now started thinking like yes, it is right, if all the luxuries, my all luxuries life has passed, so definitely this bad time, this defeated time, this alone time, this too shall pass. So that time the king realized the fact, and soon, and after reading this, now he started feeling relaxed after thinking this, that yes, this too shall pass. So now he started feeling relaxed, and soon he realized that the sound of galloping horses and the enemies armies means started decreasing, and then soon it vanished. So that time the king felt very relaxed, and now he found himself safe from the enemies, and now he just went to his kingdom, and the king was very brave. He found that his all kingdom and all things means it was destroyed, all things were destroyed completely in this battle, in this war. But yes, king was very brave, and soon with his hard work and with his determination, it's very soon that he developed all these things again. So again the king became a very rich and powerful king, and he developed all his kingdom as earlier. So again, after developing all these things, now one day king started thinking, when he went to his when he was passing to his hall area. So that time all the court members, means they started showering flowers on king. So that time kings felt very proud, and king started thinking like, yes, I'm the greatest king in the world, because I have destroyed all things in the battle, in the I defeated very badly in the battle, but yes, look, again I managed all the things, again I developed all the things by myself, by my hard work. So after thinking this, somewhere king started feeling proudy, started feeling proud and egoistic, like yes, I'm the best. So after, when he was thinking this, and after realizing this fact that I'm the best, and yes, I have a quality that I can do anything, I can achieve anything in my life, when king started thinking all these things and started becoming proudy, so that time again there's a sunlight was coming in his courtyard. So the sunlight again reflect his diamond ring, and he again remembered about the diamond ring, and open and again take out this page, this paper slip, and again he read it, he read like, this too shall pass. So after reading this, king, all of a sudden king felt very humble, and there's a sudden humble and politeness was started showing on his face. So that time the king again felt that yes, again this, all these luxuries, all this means joy and happiness, this too which I earned with my hard work, but yes, I don't need to feel proud on all these things, because this too shall pass. And when he read this paper again, then sudden means he made a very humble and polite face, and that time of course the king realized that about their cleverness, about the wiseness of their minister, like yes guys. So if we relate this story to our real life, so we also see in our real life that life is like a means changing process. There's a changing process always continuing in our life, and we are just like witness of all the changing things. So except of the law of change, all things is, all things shall pass in our life. So yes guys, whenever we feel bad situation in our life, so that time it's mandatory for us to think like, this too shall pass. And whenever you face very happy and joyful moment in your life, so that time also think that this too shall pass, means all the situation, whether it bad or good, means all the circumstances in your life, this all too shall pass. Try to remember this story always in your life, and try to get a good lesson from my today's story. And yes guys, now I'm feeling myself very much tired and hungry, so I should go now. So bye bye my dear friend, and don't forget to support me, and don't forget to continue your speaking practice, and don't forget that if you are facing bad situation in your life, so my dear friend, this too shall pass. Bye bye.